Hello there guys, this is Paul, Good Gaming Ideas, and welcome to my second review. Today we are reviewing PCU from Corsair. It's a RM series 850 watts PCU with silent mode and 105 degrees Japanese capacitors, and also has superior voltage regulation and long-term reliability. It's an 18 plus gold certified PCU, and I must say it is amazing. So this is how it looks in reality. It's a fully modular PCU. I don't know if you can see it. So it is fully modular PCU, and its performance was far more surprising. Just exceeded my expectations. It's a very powerful PCU, and in my system it was a total overkill. So as well, it comes with this nice bag with Corsair logo for your cables. I don't know if you can see it. And it has a lot of cables. So basically this is an example one cable. It has a thick mesh sleeve which looks nice, and it's a very high quality cables. I'm very happy with it. I had no problems whatsoever. This is probably one of the best things I had in my PC. And with my Intel i9 9900K and Radeon XR 5700 XT with 64 gigabytes of RAM and my NVMe disks, it was running almost all the time at a 0 RPM mode. It was very quiet, very cool. I really like the designs. It has a model name on it, a little Corsair logo, so power socket and the power button. The same on the other side, model name and the logo. Black color, it's amazing. Just you have to bear in mind that if you are using a small factor case, as I do, so it's not the best choice due to its cable size. Well, you always can get custom cables, but I think it's just much wiser to buy like other SFX series from Corsair PCU. It comes with already thinner cables, so that's only concern about this product, that it has quite thick cables, and it would be a real challenge to do a clean cable management. Otherwise than that, it's an awesome product. It's a 5 stars product. I recommend it. And also you can get those at a really good price. I got mine on Amazon Prime Days with a huge discount, and it just far exceeded my expectations. Okay guys, hope you like it and hope this review is useful. If you are considering purchasing one of these, so go ahead. Don't worry about the quality issues or performance. Just go and buy it. And thank you for viewing and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.